the money is so.
I want you to do something. Send out. You are not supposed to be minding Baba, and they are supposed to be just drop it.
Let's keep it moving. I said, let's move. I said, it's the fraud that people
See, if they are saying
abusing people is not part of it.
Okay, I'm a Christian. I'm a Christian. I'm a white garment. What's my Mohbad? It is only government that can help us to bring whosoever that buy Mohbad to broke. And when it comes to accountability, it is between the public and Baba. Sure, you understand. But this time around, I think it is an opportunity and a way for us to reach out to the government. So what I'm trying to say right now is that can we all just go to the comment section and be saying we don't want accountability now. Leave it for the future. We want to that is what we want to discuss right now. Can we all just do that?
Exactly.
Talking about accountability, any tomorrow. That's why I said opportunity to reach out to government in some little ways. So can we just let
only because they want to follow IG, we can print Baba as fraud fún Brekete. Ó yẹ ká ti kọ́kọ́ clean image àwọn advisor tó wà létí Baba àwọn lè ṣiṣẹ́ tó orí wọn kì í gbọ́ràn.
Yes, so they know you are getting over time that one part.
Any report tẹ̀lẹ̀
for Baba to be prepared.
Tẹ̀lẹ̀ máa fún yín níṣẹ́ láti bí báyìí máa fún yín.
Gbogbo wa gbà yẹn.
Tẹ̀lẹ̀ inú gbọ́dọ̀ wà ní máa fún tẹ̀lẹ̀ tí máa fún yín níṣẹ́.
Jí bàbá gbé o. Ẹ má tún lọ bí bàbá
tẹ̀lẹ̀ tí máa nọ̀ ní ilé tè ẹ máa fi ilẹ̀ ní ìwà yẹn. Máa nọ̀ ní ilé tè.
Ẹ má lọ fẹ́ jí bàbá gbé o, ẹ jẹ́ ká yanjú kéésì.
Ọjà ẹ̀yàn kọ́ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí pé àwọn tí wọ́n mú bàbá lọ sí Brekete tí wọ́n clean image bàbá kó tó di pé wọ́n mú bàbá lọ sí Brekete ẹ ti paint bàbá yẹn as fraud ẹ paint as fraud sí Brekete nìkan torí àwọn èèyàn tó ń wo Brekete ká máa wọ́n ti máa wo bàbá yẹn pé ẹ̀yin lè ẹ̀kẹ́ ti clean image ẹ̀ báwo lè ṣe lè ẹ̀kẹ́ ti clean image ẹ̀ ẹ̀yin lè ẹ̀kẹ́ ti wá síta kẹ́ ti sọ pé iye báyìí ló wà ní good for me o iye báyìí ni a lò kẹ́ ti kọ́kọ́ jẹ́ kán wó bàbá pa níta náà àwọn pé nǹkan tó fẹ́ lọ face ní Brekete kò yẹ kán mention owó or anything related to money should be mentioned at all. Bàbá is supposed to nígbà tí àwọn náà dẹ̀ wá ṣe bàbá náà ọmọ ọlọ́pọ̀lọpọ̀ wọn lo ọpọlọ àgbàlagbà orí wọn ẹ má jẹ́ kí n máa láàánú máa bí mi. Ẹ chief.
Olóró láǹdì jẹ.
Bàbá yẹ kó ti gẹ́ẹ̀tì kéèsì yẹn pé my honourable president I came here for work kill this guy. Wọ́n fọwọ́ lágbá mi lójú níbi tí mo ní court help me wọ́n ti fẹ́ da kéèsì yìí rú. He did not say that. He was just ìbátan kan ṣẹnu bí ẹnu òwìwì. Wọ́n fọ wọ́n lu ojú wọn ṣẹnu bí ẹnu òwìwì. Now, tí Brekete bá gbọ́n, àbúrò bá pé kínní, can pause everybody tó ń bú bàbá in terms of accountability ẹ pause ẹ padà wáyé ẹ palépa. Ẹ pause. Ká look forward sí how can we help this case to get àwọn tó wà nínú ilé yẹn ká ti ọ̀bẹ ń gbóná bọ̀ wọ́n lọ fún kán sọ̀rọ̀. Ìbẹ́ ìwé ìdè attack wíwé ìdè attack ọmọ yẹn ti mọ bá ṣe ń deal pẹ̀lú public stuff kò sí bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe lè attack látẹ̀lé dọ̀la ẹ̀ lè gbọ́ ṣíṣì lẹ́nu ẹ̀. But àwọn kan wà nínú ilé yẹn that their stuff immune system is weak tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ attack tó yẹ kẹ́ ẹ fi lọ́ọ̀ halẹ̀ mọ́ wọn dáadáa tẹ́ bá fi lọ́ọ̀ halẹ̀ mọ́ wọn dáadáa tẹ́ bá fọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ ń gbóná tẹ̀ wọ́n lẹ́kùn wọ́n máa sọ̀rọ̀.
Not the phone and not that.
But you election by my feeling the stuff they were saying about that man, you people I want to warn us Brekete this time around. If Baba yẹn láyé lọ́wọ́ ni. Ìka ẹ ṣe fún mo bá ṣe wọ́n ṣọ̀fà fún bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tẹ bá mọ̀ pé bẹ́ẹ̀ pẹ́pẹ́ sí ìwé ní fún money ẹ dín pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ nínú ilé when it comes to money. Ẹ má pẹ̀lú ẹ̀ síta náà.
No, bàbá náà fẹ́ wá bójú ẹ̀yin public jẹ́. Bàbá náà Brekete tó lọ fẹ́ wá bójú ẹ̀yin public jẹ́ ni pé ẹ̀hún tẹ ibi tẹ́nu òun lè dé.
Bàbá sọ pé àwọn
ti débẹ̀ yìí o.
Àwọn arífá sọ pé àwọn ò lè wá síbẹ̀ because àwọn ti ṣú sí kí wọ́n ṣọ́ọ̀kì wọn as their
bàbá náà fẹ́ wákàsí ni.
Bàbá náà ti di fracas gbogbo ẹ̀kọ́ di gbọ́mísí omi òtó everybody kọ́ di kìnnìkan. Make them wrap up the case in Lagos. Let's know if they want to appeal or not, or let's keep moving.
Tí bàbá bá ní di justice fún ọmọ ẹ̀, ó yẹ kó máa sọ fún bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹtẹ gbogbo nǹkan tó ṣe tó wà successful nínú justice.
Alọ́ṣe
DNA ló fẹ́ ṣe. Ó ti wọ́n kó bá ti ṣe DNA ó ti tán nìyẹn oníkálùkù ẹgbàá lóyún lọ.
Kí ló dé tí Sanchito fi yọ rẹ̀ kúrò nínú DNA yẹn? Kí ló dé tí Sanchito fi yọ rẹ̀ kúrò nínú DNA yẹn?
Ọwọ́ yóò funfun
ṣẹlẹ̀ family wọn yìí.
Family wọn fraud ní
family wọn yìí. Ó yẹ kí gbogbo public kọ́ competition kọ́ ti family yìí kọ́ ti wọ́n mẹ́wọ̀n ni.
Ẹni kan tí wọ́n mẹ́wọ̀n ni wọ́n mọ́ sí ìgbòho báyọ̀.
African TV ẹ̀jẹ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀kì yìí. The same publisher of Aloba family want to use Muyiwa as administration of his estate that they released last week. The same publisher, Independence News, is publishing that Wunmi is the same person, the same publisher is also working with Wunmi to publish something. So they are coming to the public to play us a game. They use publishing house, newspaper, narrative.
When I say this, like say, more happened to Mo has more to do with Adura. I'm not pushing Wunmi out of it. What happened to Mo has more to do with Adura. The fall is going to have a big impact on Adura than it's going to have on anybody, which the stupid Wunmi.
Of course.
What happened to Mo has more to do with Adura. And that is why they are lovers and covering stuff.
Let's follow that line of thought. Looking at the fact that Adura said there was a noise in their room and something about he had a mobile phone and he went there to check the noise. The story ended there. What caused the noise? The outcome of the noise. Could it be Adura Gogon? If that is true, why would Wunmi be covering up for Adura? If we follow that line of thought, which is possible, it's possible. Maybe you want to Wunmi, they were having issues. Adura got there, things got escalated. Adura ended up killing his brother. It's possible. If that is a fact, why would Wunmi be so engulfed in protecting Adura? She could need to actually immediately to move on with her life and also gain all whatever we claim that they're trying to gain. So let's explore that. My mind always tells me that Adura has something to do with this.
Yes, sir. Tádùá bá ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ Wunmi máa ti gbá wèrè lẹ́wọ̀n láti gba gbogbo kìíní ìtìpẹ́.
Yes.
Ọdún ṣẹlẹ̀ yẹn.
Wunmi àti anybody ló kú yẹn àti pointed to defend herself, to remove herself from all this.
Wunmi máa ti làdúrà mẹ́wọ̀n ti pẹ́. Ó máa take over ní ìjọba ń gbọ́ take over, ó máa take over gbogbo ẹgbẹ́.
Ẹ jẹ́ ká reverse case yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ Wunmi ni.
Nǹkan tẹ́lẹ̀ bọ̀ mọ́ kò ṣẹlẹ̀ pé.
Ẹ̀ẹ́mẹ́jì sọ pé Wunmi àti wọn lẹ́wọ̀n. Now let's reverse the case. Assuming pé Wunmi ló ṣe.
A ti mú bọ̀ láìpẹ́ náà.
Ó dà tó bá jẹ́ pé Wunmi ló ṣe. Why is Adura not doing the same thing that you guys are proposing? Baba, don't forget, Adura sent a message to Yomi. No, wait. Adura sent a message to Wunmi to Yomi that I have a video of where Wunmi pushed my brother. A major confession that is a sign. Calm down. Shele, we're exploring all things. Calm down. So somebody kills Wunmi kills your brother, and the best you can do is wait for over a year to now solicit for 3 million. Is that what you're telling me? The best you can do, hold on. Knowing the fact that, okay, your brother is a superstar, multi-millionaire, Wunmi kills your brother allegedly, and you don't seek, you go to court, you have stomach problem, your mom is telling you don't talk kiniko, this drama, and now a year after, you approach Yomi soliciting 3 million when you know that if you expose Wunmi, the wealth of your brother goes completely to your family and giving you the opportunity to throw Wunmi out. So, does that make sense? Oh, yeah, sell your floor.
You see, in the process of you establishing what you said now, you mentioned a lot of things. The first time Adura was supposed to talk, now Mama Mohbad go beg her. Now, Folashade said that when she was trying to access Adura, Mama Mohbad no let make Adura follow and talk. Baba also said he has not spoken to Adura. Maybe that cruise, I call it a cruise of a chat. You understand? Because at that time now, there was a lot of things, CCTV, it was CCTV. So they were closing. If he looks, say, it's better they do these people. Evidence not there anywhere. You understand? To come say, okay, oh, see this one. Just to create an awareness of help. Because they are all victims.
Now that's a great card of his house. And he said to Mohbad, don't fight that. You understand? And he also said, told Wunmi, don't fight your husband. And Wunmi said, don't worry. As he's going up there now, he's going to go, he will be begging me now.
Okay, so that identifies Mohbad being alive up until those hours. That early hour of Sunday morning, which would have been early Monday morning rather. Okay, the time they came out to look for drugs, around 3 a.m. I mean, what was that time? Did anybody remember the time the driver mentioned? That 3 a.m. He heard the sound. He heard the sound, and people came to meet him. 3 people or 2 people came to meet him to take them to a pharmacist, and he said to take them to the nearest clinic. Who are those people, Sele? I think he mentioned lifestyle and maybe spending. If lifestyle was mentioned, then lifestyle in the comment section. If lifestyle is one of those 3 people, then lifestyle needs to be detained for interrogation, because I remember talking to lifestyle immediately after this incident, and his story. Drugs. Exactly. And he said he left Mohbad's house at 12 noon or more. Exactly. And Mohbad was telling him he looks like a student. Now only like student. Yes, and that's what he told me in an interview. So, hello. What are you saying? Call Wally, sorry. You see, this is where we have problem. Allowing those people to be traveling in the middle of an intensive investigation. And if you want to know the truth, my own opinion is that the Nigerian police is the one that's got us into what we're facing. Somebody like Lifestyle or anybody in that house should not be allowed to travel. Investigation is complete. But African
Lifestyle story does not fly.
Now let me ask you a question again, just like you asked earlier. Do you think if Lifestyle was the one that buying Mohbad or these guys traveling, do you think Wunmi would have allowed them to travel since she could have not made herself available in another space?
Wunmi cannot stop anybody from traveling, even if she knows who did whatever happened. It's the police job, including Wunmi.
African TV, not in the police side, also. I'm talking about the reality. The whole world they mention my name. Again, the whole world they talk about the wife. And you understand? Oh, yeah, give me this sort of way. Oh, you do
You're forgetting something. If this thing happened the way we are reasoning,
Nobody's going to rat on each other. Everybody goes on their life the way they are doing. Wumi's in the heat. She's the one that everybody's focusing on. So she knows her position in the scheme of things. She knows her game, that everybody's coming after me. But me, I know it's not me. But me, I'm not going to talk because we have all agreed for whatever reason. So she's taking the hit, knowing at the end of the day, when the shit hits the fan, it's not her. She will only be blamed for negligence and also conspiracy to cover up. So that could be another angle you should reason. But let's go back to what may have happened in the house. For Wumi to take such a position, for Adura to be in the position he's in, for Baba to have found the blood-soaked dove, for the mother to be the one who washed it, if all these things are true, we have one big army arrangement, the army, the killers of Mohbad. So if this arrangement has been kept a secret for 2 years, and we the masses were still crying, how do we unravel it? Without the distractions of all the noisemakers and fake updates that we've been facing. So what do we do to get the real truth? That's the question.
I think this case is somehow
This is murder mystery. Oh man, let's say on American movie channel. Murder mystery, unsolved mystery. You know.
African TV, don't you think if the monies of Mohbad, you see, I'm going to say something today. At the time, I remember I was working with 2 women, they were lawyers, they were in the legal field. After our conversation then, they said that, okay, if you want to catch criminals for real, let us attack the money. And we wanted something to be done regarding freezing Mohbad's assets, because we discovered that it's possible that even the killers of Mohbad are still being
very good idea. Very good. I like that.
And I remember that time, the next day, that thing leaked to Immolenization, and they came online to debunk it, that every Mohbad assets, the only person that did not come and debunk it that time was Sam Falana. Because even him at that time, he was not ready to talk about Mohbad estate, but he came out in attack of Baba to say the man is after Mohbad's estate. I'm talking about December, November 2020.
Yeah, let me chip in on that. It's a very good move. It's a very good idea to freeze all of Mohbad's assets indefinitely, maybe even a gap of 30 years before they can even discuss it. It will be a good motion if anybody can push it.
African TV, let me now tell you what happened. Because I know say wahala go start. You understand? The people that time, some set of people, but let's leave that one. African TV ṣe like peace àti dárúkọ wọn sẹ́yìn. I understand. Àwọn èèyàn ní òfòye gbé àti dárúkọ wọn sẹ́yìn.
As long as you continue to say it.
Aloba is not giving us the confidence to actually do the right thing anymore. Because African TV, these people are not interested in the criminal case of Mohbad. Why would I try to put myself in anything criminal?
So you the fear as you did so, right? You say
because there's no evidence. There's no any evidence for any wise person. Wisdom is profitable to direct.
Allegedly, somebody so can do back with what
allegedly. So at that time, those people, barrister EOD, Foladilo, they sent that thing to their friend, also in justice. Again, the next day, as early before we even woke up, again, and they came to say to us that, to the whole world, that Mohbad asset, since the day fine, his asset has been frozen. His asset has been frozen. That time was the first time when I first raised my own flag to say no, this person. I understand at that time, but in between, I just lowered down my guide, and I continue to ask my accountability question. If Mohbad assets till today is not frozen, then we are not looking for any justice now. We are only looking to get into trouble because there's money on ground to spend. Till today, African TV, let us try to start a movement to try and see, to freeze that account. You will see some people will come out and tell you that it has been frozen. Who are those people? How them know? Where is the evidence? I understand. So what those people did at that time was just to stop us from doing the real thing.
Sorry. I like this motion, and the kind of person I am, with the right people around me, I would join this motion. But I think this motion would only make sense after the DNA result, especially if the DNA is found to be negative, because if we pass this motion now,
African TV, Sherry Biden lawyer, justice go. If that DNA is done, if they do that DNA, many things will come out and many things will be cleared. You understand? That is why the DNA will never be done.
My prayer is that on Berekete, they should hand over DNA to Berekete completely to broadcast the sampling collection, to broadcast the results reading, to have his lawyer in court. That is my prayer, that Berekete should step in from that angle. Let's get that battle completely to the end. As far as the motion freezing his assets, fantastic idea, because follow the money. When you freeze the asset all the way to whatever is with Naira Marley, whatever is with Naira Marley should be retrieved from him, put into a trust fund for Mohbad's memory or legacy until the determination of the cause of death. And when the cause of death proves that nobody in the family has a hand, then they can now sit down and share the estate. But light to life, fantastic idea. Follow the money. When you block the money, the devils will come out.
African TV, November 14, 2025. Muiwa and his gang, representing Aloba family, they are already attacking it to probe it. They want to administrate us everything without finding what's buying Mohbad.
Look, these people are not concerned about what happened to Mohbad anymore. That's a fact, long known. They are more interested in letting the dust clear. They go home and share the body. So that's what's happening now.
African TV. How worst this is. Even that Muiwa, with everything that happened at Brekete, 100% Muiwa wants Baba to be in jail. And he wants to be administrator of Mohbad's wealth, which means he's even removing Baba. And who's the one that is removing Baba right from the beginning, even when Mohbad was alive? We know the person that is pushing the family away now.
Oh, so
no, Wunmi and her mother never wanted Mohbad's mother and father to be in his life. Just because of the money no day yard, money no day yard.
This whole thing is going wrong. Everything is going wrong from Joseph Aloba because he's got himself surrounded by the wrong people. At the end of the day, he's going to lose. His family is going to lose. His generation is going to lose because of the people that he's associated himself. careful with. Now, if Joseph Aloba is listening and his people are listening, you all need to find a good thing for that man. He still has the right to fight for the death and the legacy and estate of his son until proven otherwise. Now, naturally, in-laws will fight, music industry will fight. Let them fight, but family is still family. So let the family just be stronger, better organized to do these things. My push motion, freeze the motherfucking assets until everything is concluded. The estate, nothing is shared, nothing to be discussed. Budget 10, 20 years, like you do, then we will know who has the rights to the asset, because asset is motive for murder. And even if asset was not the motive for murder, after the death, people may not realize we just incidentally jump into money. Oh yeah, let's cover this, cover that, cover this. So the money may not have been the motive. It may have been a domestic dispute. It may have been an accident. But eventually they realize that it's jackpot. Come and cover up. So let's block them. Let's block them where it hurts the most, which is block the money, put it in a trust fund held by the Lagos state government until further notice.
Okay, African TV, I can tell you for free that the way Mohbad used to withdraw his streaming money for a modernization, the way he operates his bank accounts, they have been operating it, withdrawing money. In fact, there's no money available. Only the one that will come tomorrow, maybe from people listening to his songs. There is nothing available at this time. So what do we do?
Look, again, Joseph Aloba, God, somehow I kind of wish that man did not fuck around with me. But what he can do, they can always track everybody that has touched the boy's money. That's not a big Nigeria ran the way for them. Anybody that has been tampering, taking money without being assigned as the administrator of the estate, they are facing jail sentences. It's very simple. They can be tracked.
African TV, can we now say that maybe these families, these real families of Mohbad, they have been tricked, they've been paid from that revenue, they've been paid, and that is the reason why they are obstructing justice?
It's possible. Look, anything is possible. All your hypotheses, they are possible, and the only person that can stop it as we stand today is Joseph Aloba, and also by extension Wunmi, because I saw a video today posted by the British babe, Oruke. When I interviewed Baba on one of those platforms those days, Baba confessed that Wunmi was married, that they paid dowry. He said it. When I heard that
interview on TikTok,
yes, Baba said it clearly. I asked him almost 3 times. Get a question, and Lotus said, yes, they paid dowry. So, that being the case, the girl is traditionally married, and as a wife, she has those rights. Her rights are removed if they can prove she has anything to do with the death. That's when she loses all those rights. You understand? So
now say that's the reason why they don't want the cause of death to be established. All the things happening so far, from obstruction from the WhatsApp group, it is for that mission.
Excellent. You have mentioned the WhatsApp group like 2 times, right? Emma Bino, I have to go receive an important call. Emma Bino.
I will think many times.
You mentioned the WhatsApp.
Whatever was happening on TikTok was controlled by that group. I saw the effect in even my own life.
Let me tell you something. Togiri Obalano, Allah go the Ogiri Lano, Allah go take chance ni. You understand?
Of course.
Y'all are supposed to be 10 times smarter. You understand? You're supposed to be 10 times because ẹ̀yin lẹ́nu ìkan tẹ́ fẹ́ prove.
Ó dà because ọ̀pọ̀ àwọn tó dáwó sínú GoFundMe tó fi obstruct justice for Mohbad káwọn àwọn náà máa sọ pé àwọn ò bá má dáwó. You understand? Everybody did it out of love.
Ẹ jẹ́ kí n ṣàlàyé kankan fún yín. Àwọn ọ̀rọ̀ GoFundMe tẹ̀ sọ yìí. Aláwọn kan tẹ́ pé wọn ò fi kọ́bọ̀ sí that they saw it right from afar tí wọn ò fi shit sí. And they are still standing by it today that I said it from the start that it was a fraud and it's still a fraud. I'm not going to be a fraud. Ẹni sọ̀rọ̀ ẹni jẹ́ kí èèyàn lánàá sẹ́lẹ̀ jẹ́ kí èèyàn.
Èmi náà wà pé àpọ̀pọ̀ ni àtò tẹ̀.
Kọ́nà mo yẹ sọ fún yín pé ẹ̀yin ìwọ̀nba ẹ̀yin tẹ́ẹ̀nì yẹn tẹ́lẹ̀ sì dúró sórí stand yín pé fraud ni láti lẹ̀ nǹkan kan ṣẹlẹ̀ pẹ̀lú owó tó fẹ́ gbé fún ẹ yìí ọlọ́mọdé kó padà dówó ẹkún ó lè padà dówó ẹkún fún bàbá yẹn ṣé àwọn understand? Now mi mo kàn jẹ́ kí nǹkan tí mo fẹ́ padà sí ni the WhatsApp group you're talking about kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ nínú WhatsApp group yẹn gangan.
And that WhatsApp group, they are the one that fought for Mohbad's exemption. They were the public. You understand? About the public in fight for Mohbad. Iyabo Ojo was the leader. She used her foundation to do almost everything. Investigation of the police. She influenced everything.
Then what happened? Because at the point in time, if the public was the one that fought for the exemption of Mohbad's body and stuff, that means at the point in time everybody was together.
Of course. Iyabo Ojo gang were the one that brought out all the propagandas.
Then what happened? Báwo ló ṣe?
They were not looking for justice. They were not looking for real justice. They say autopsy is not their concern, but we were contributing money for autopsy. And we are doing fake one. You understand?
I think fake one and the original one. Whose fault?
I don't question Baba's name. Now, who was fault?
Yetunde, hold on. First, time when you break the fact with Baba Lady, I'm interested. Anybody knows when it's coming up?
I thought they said Baba is already there already.
We are watching. We are waiting for Baba.
Okay. And they want to back to the okay, now, at one point, Yetunde, question to Yekubiri. At what point did the hunter become the hunted? Iyabo Ojo raised his awareness, fought for the assumption. Iyabo Ojo today is being castigated as anti-justice with the transaction of the the WhatsApp group. Now, when did the twist come? When people started seeing Naira Marley. Hold on,
from Iyabo Ojo. You mean the twist from Iyabo Ojo? When did it come?
When did Iyabo Ojo become the bad person in this matter? When?
Very good. From the day they said, from the day that was October 2nd, they said the team go nurse, it be like saying a nurse go use head carry everything. And 2 years after, then again they said we are not interested in the autopsy. Autopsy was supposed to have been out before the corona started at all.
Calm down. Then for any two school of thoughts on these two topics. Number one, in the WhatsApp group, somebody can say we're not interested in the toxicology, the autopsy. Did you investigate why they said so? Surely narratives don't be jadi. Any toka WhatsApp group here, per se, VDM. The narrative that they're not interested in the WhatsApp group. Remember back then, the focal point was Naira Marley, Sam Larry. That people were ready to burn those two guys alive. Now, if you were convinced back then, when Naira Marley and Sam Larry, people are telling you toxicology, autopsy, you can say, I'm not interested in any stupid toxicology because you're convicted that you knew what happened, that you know.
Àwọn ló ṣe exactly.
Sam Larry, language. tí mo wà ṣóǹgbọ́ I guess African TV ẹ jẹ́ n ṣàlàyé nǹkan tẹ́ sọ understand that when they were pushing the narrative they were from that WhatsApp group the narrative of Naira Marley Sam Larry started from there. Now, the reason why Naira Marley and Iyabo Ojo had that on that meeting, when Naira Marley petitioned her last this year, I think it's this year. And she was an FCI. Mo sọ pé mo fẹ́ fún ẹ ní two school of thought, má bínú. Lẹ́nu náà jẹ́ fún iná ta ilé yìí. Wà á gbàǹsẹ̀ wa mi ò fẹ́ gbàgbé, mo ti ń gbàgbé. Mo ti ń gbàgbé. Now, so that first school of thought, who believe pé Sam Larry Naira Marley ni, you can make a comment. Tọ́ba sọ pé ẹ jẹ́ ká dúró de toxicology. I don't care about stupid toxicology. We don't want to know. Torí ìwọ ti believe pé nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ ni ẹ̀. Now, the other school of thought, which now you've made me forget, there was something you said on WhatsApp group, the toxicology. They said they are not interested in autopsy. And they are not interested in autopsy, that's one. But there's another thing you mentioned which is very important. Torí ìgbà tí fídíò mú ká kìíní yìí, bó ṣe kí wọ́n lè gbé ká lọ́rọ̀. No, they said nurse. They said nurse. No, nurse. Thank you. Let me tell you the gospel truth. From day one, people like us, like me, we already knew it was going to fall on the nurse, and we've been saying it from the one. If it falls on the nurse, you know it's a setup. Nígbà tó ń lọ ṣe interview ilé mama nurse, tó bá rántí fídíò yẹn gbà ẹ́ tí wọ́n lọ sílé mama nurse, nígbà tó ń gbé lẹ́jì àti nurse papọ̀, me, I already knew that if the nurse takes the fall, it will be an indication of a bigger setup. And that is what happened. Does that now mean pé ṣé mi wà ní WhatsApp group ni? Ṣé àtijọ́ plan ẹ̀ ni? African TV. And now I understand. You see that your own thoughts that time, there the evidence òun ni VDM jáde fún wa yẹn, òun ni WhatsApp group. The thing evidence brought out is like an evidence of all our assumptions. Select, calm down. Okay, look. No, calm down. Let's revisit the VDM factor. Let's revisit it. VDM claimed tí Iyabo bá dé. Kẹ̀lẹ̀bẹ̀ máa fọ́, àbígbá máa fọ́. Iyabo has been back how many months? Ìgbà wo ló ti fọ́? We need to learn to understand the bigger picture of things. Yes. Don't you think that for us that know what is right and wrong, legal and illegal, we're supposed to be able to actually take it up from where VDM stop and make reference to his WhatsApp? You know the obstruction now. What do you mean where VDM stop? Why would VDM stop? Why would he stop? For the influence of the people that obstructed justice from TikTok, the way to man drag away, the way to drag it, ṣé kò sùn yìí. Ta ló ó sún mi mò ń bẹ̀ sọ̀rọ̀ lẹ́nu? Ó sún mi ni mo gbé Yomi lọ sí court pẹ̀lú Nàìjíríà police. No, hold on. Ó sún mi mo wà court pẹ̀lú Yẹmi, pẹ̀lú Yomi. Kí ló sùn ká ní? Pẹ̀lú Yomi, kí ló sùn ká ní? Something funny is going on in all this their noise they are making. That is fact, and that is why did they start in the first instance? Why did they get in? African TV, but know how you appoint your this thing now. Okay, African TV, sọ̀rọ̀ pa DNA. They showed many people like myself to DNA. Sọ̀rọ̀ corporate social responsibility. But are you still in the process now? You are not there. Of course. Àwọn ẹlòmíì ló ń ṣe. Wọ́n dẹ̀ jà láwọn kọ́nà yìí kúrò nù ẹ̀. Wọ́n jà láti kọ́nà mi ò bí pé mo gbẹnu dákẹ́ náà. I'm still doing what I know how to do. African TV, do you know that if something spectacular happened in justice for Mohbad? Sorry, Sele, o ti change topic o. Maybe you are VDM fan. No, why can VDM not bust the bubble? Iyabo has been back how many months? Okay, let's petition VDM. Please, let's do that. You promise promise us something and now we have nothing. Let's go to African TV. Pẹ̀lú the way táwọn family fi ṣọ́yẹ́ cash out pẹ̀lú kéèsì bọ̀bọ̀ iṣẹ́ yẹn ni bọ̀dé máa fẹ́ gbórí sí. Ṣé bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó gbórí sí ni? Bẹ̀rẹ̀ tó bàbá. My sister.
When báwo ni Brekete máa ń parí kíní ẹ̀?
Before 12. Ó pẹ́ jù 12.
At least it's 10:49.
Na bàbá still dey look for back sef. Ó ti sú bàbá.
Ṣé bàbá wà lẹ́yìn?
Bàbá wà ní studio. You can see this case, and that is why we never abuse.
Tẹ́lẹ̀ ẹ̀jẹ̀ ìbọ̀lẹ̀ tí ń wò.
On YouTube, I will never abuse anybody that is still active in looking for what my brother Sele, you're missing very important points. When VDM came, Tobamo Bati VDM Wole, Shumo Bati Yomi Maru, Batogun Yomi Bere, VDM came in, subjected your mix campaign to zero. Went on this ranting of evidence. Tomorrow I'll post this. He went on interviewing Baba Mohbad, chasing people around, doing interviewed the driver. How do you go so far to come so low? Now you made a promise. What a two bears in Fiabo Kori, Akoma Padasinaja, Otilosho Mugo, Orescusinio. How do you make such a noise only to come out and be vegetable about everything? African TV, makes sense. Now the spirit of Nigerian man now. African TV, let me tell you one reason why you are consistent with this case. One, you spend a long time in countries that believe that something can be done. Nigeria no believe say something can be done. Again, Nigeria no believe say Mohbad will get justice. And the fact be that. Again, and there is still one spirit of accountability in you that makes you to know that if you put the right effort, you will get results. If you continue asking questions, you will get the answer. Baba, common Nigerian man don't get that thing. Because frustration will kill you for that country. Nigeria send message the last 3 months. Somebody is abusing the child, beating the child, and he did not pay attention. He was distracted by something else. Now the child is dead. He's dead. It's so painful. He didn't have time then. Now the child is dead. So many problems to solve in Nigeria.
That's all wrong right now. Nigeria is facing a whole wrong.
Again, so to put Mohbad case, we don't already go. Mohbad don't go. No easy to sorry. Again, especially Oyinbo don't talk am. Sele, Oyinbo don't talk am. Oyinbo say jack of all trade, master of none. Of course. Now why division of Oloro VDM defend that line? African TV. Now why division of when you an accountability go help us?
African TV, can I ask you a question, sir?
Yes.
How did you get to know about the case?
Phone him, Mr. Coach. Got his number, and I started following him. It was that boy's cry about Mohbad that brought me into Justice for Mohbad. I saw him crying about what about Mohbad? What she can look over the video entourage to office candlelight here. Candlelight here. So that's how I got involved in Justice for Mohbad. I now told my crew in Belgium, look what's happening in my country. We now spoke to our lawyer who now said, go ahead and find Baba Mohbad. And then I employed the PA because company. The boss. I don't call anybody on this barrister. Sorry. Yes. The one person here, they talk say Sago. He said, please, sir, don't forget to call Sanshitu and Barrister Odumosu for update on Mohbad's case. I don't know they call anybody again. I know they call anybody on this matter again. But now we don't carry the matter go IG office. If IG no do something, we go carry the matter go office, we pass IG office, and they go give IG directive. He must do the needful. When I know here say the Minister for Justice and Attorney General of the Federation go take over the matter, and then ask IG why this matter no happen. So I know they call any matter again, and this I not enter this matter to raise money or to gain any extra popularity. My own business. Do more soon for update on Mohbad's case. I know they call anybody again.
Shetibo, I know they call anybody again because he don't trust anybody. All of them know they are accountable.
I know they call anybody on this matter again. Now we don't carry the matter go IG office. If IG no do something, we go carry the matter.
Team Baba go still dey claim now. Say na Baba first go Abuja, go submit petition, say all these things.
Go office, we pass IG office, and they go give IG directive. He must do the needful. When I know here say the Minister for Justice and Attorney General of the Federation go take over the matter, and then ask IG why this matter no happen. So I know they call any matter again, and this I no enter this matter to raise money or to gain any extra popularity. My own be say na justice I won't get for Mohbad, and the direction where they go now, the justice go happen, and then I don't advise Baba Mohbad already. Make you begin to prepare in mind towards make you bury Mohbad, so that Mohbad's spirit will rest in peace. Thank you very much. So don't ask me to call anybody again because we're not.
So project Baba is not living.
Baba Mohbad don't clear.
Yeah. Project Baba sorry. Project Baba sorrow. Project Baba sorrow.